What if I told you that you can create a soul leaving the body effect right inside After Effects? Stay with me, because by the end of this video you will be able to make this exactly cinematic effect yourself. So let's get straight into it. Before we start, if you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and write the bell so you never miss a tutorial. It really helps the channel grow. Now let's jump in. Create a new composition and write it the name of this composition, then select 90/20 and then hit OK. Now import your photo and rescale it, fit it to your screen and make sure the image will be transparent. Now pre-compose it and change the name to image, then hit OK. Now duplicate it with the Ctrl+D and position it on the top or where you want to apply it. Now we will apply turbulence displays on duplicate image and displacement changes to vertical displacement. And change the amount and size of it which you like it. Now we need to ensure that the effect is applied only the specific selected area. To do this, use the mask tool to draw the specific region. Draw a mask. You can see only applying on the mask area. Then go to options and turbulence effect and composition option. Click on add and apply mask 1. You can change the position of the mask by the pointers if you are not satisfied with your mask position, so you can change anytime. Now then apply directional blur and change the length to around where you like it. Effect and composition option. Click on add and apply mask 1. The directional blur is a standard effect that allows you to control the angle of the blur, so you can change the length of the blurriness. Now duplicate the turbulent displays and change the displacement to turbulent and change size and amount accordingly. You can off all the effects that you can show the exactly turbulence 2 effect which you are applying. You can see this. Yeah, that's good to me. That's okay for me. I want this effect in a loop. So what will we do for it? We will hit the watch icon of offset with the alt and go to the option and link extension with the offset and go to extension and write time into 150. So it will be continue. The effect will be in loop. You can see. If you are not satisfied with your mask, so you can change the position of your mask anytime. Now I want to apply feather on my mask, so I will go to mask and go to the setting of the mask. You can see mask feather, so I will apply some feather on it. Will apply 25. Yeah, that's good for me. Now we will apply tint effect on it and change the map white color to light blue around. Yeah, this is okay. Now we will apply checkerboard. You can see the pattern of it. We will put it on top. Then you can see the only pattern showing on the top. Now I will change mode to stencil alpha, and width will be 2. Now you can see this. Now we'll apply glow for some dramatic effect. You can see we will change the intensity, we will change the radius, and then when you will satisfy with your glow and all the effects, then go and check. Now I want around on 5 seconds this will show, this will be on the top, my soul will be on the top, and on zero frame the soul will be not showing, the only the object will be shown. What will we do? We will change the position of the soul on 0. So on fifth second the position will be here, and on 0 second position will be same, or position will be same as the object. You can see the object and soul both are on the same position on 0 frame, but I want when the soul on 0 frame, so this will not showing. So what will we do? So now we will apply all effects that will animate. Now go to again 5th second and open all effects which we applied, and hit watch icons of the effects like amount, blur length, and on the 0 frame the effect will be 0. We don't want any effect on 0 second, so we will 0 all the effects. So now I want when the soul will leave the body, the opacity of the soul will be 0. So what will we do for it? We will hit the T for opposition, and go for 2 seconds and hit the watch icon. Now go back to the 0 second and we will do it 0%. Now you can see the effect. Yes, and that's how you create a professional astral projection VFX effect in Adobe After Effects. If you recreate this effect, I would love to see it. Drop it in the comment below, and if this video helped you, please give me a thumbs up. Really help this video reach more people like you. And if you have not already, hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. I upload new After Effects and VFX tutorial every week. Thank you so much.